Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07 from your PC. You have to start by click one time at the Windows button and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, press on it or click Enter. Now, at the audio line you need to find your earbuds, right here I have it. Also, if you cannot see it at the audio line, check it at other devices. Press on it and then click Remove. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave it at the device list to reconnect it in the future, you need to select Disconnect button. But let's remove it, so remove, and if you have Windows 10, also click Remove Device after. Now we can put these earbuds to the charging case and close the case. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!